Hi, I'm Brian Bates. I'm the director of the WBOO School of Engineering Practice and Technology. I'm very excited to join you today to share some perspectives and some information around a tremendous facility in our school, the Learning Factory. Traditional engineering education is heavily theoretical, and you're really getting a foundation of fundamentals. Where we take it in the BOO School, take it up to the next level, is into what we would call engineering practice. And to do good engineering practice, you have to look at practical problems. You need some form of experiential learning or lab-based learning, or what we call our GenTech offerings, so people understand business and management, and that is very much in an applied sense. But then they go into the labs, and in the labs they have a really great opportunity to really put things into practice.
My name is Onyinye and I'm studying Automation Engineering Technology. I'm currently working on the Smart Systems Club project with using the walking cane, and the aim of this project is to be able to bring students into the factory, use the equipment, learn to integrate with different sensors and equipment, and also learn to combine functions with products and how an Industry 4.0 can impact a factory. The walking cane has been produced in the Learning Factory for several years now, but we do plan to make it better by using sensors and integrating smart systems into the walking cane. We want to market the walking cane because we want to donate the cane, and we also want to sell the cane as a product of the Learning Factory, because the Learning Factory in Ugwuede School of Engineering is an imitation of an actual industry. The Learning Factory has so many facilities and equipment. We have the CNC machine, we have the coordinate measuring machine, and we have robots. This really helps students to learn how to use them, have direct contacts with those equipment, and also learn how they are being adapted in an industry.
My name is Tomasz. I'm in the Bachelor of Technology program at Master. I'm currently in my 3A semester of Automation Engineering. Business is actually really important in the Learning Factory because as much as we like to play with our cool toys, we are a facility, and a facility needs to produce a product because it's a factory, and that product needs to be sold. So as Dr. Wanyama loves to say, we need to sell something. And in order to sell something, you need to do a lot of research. And in my time at the Learning Factory, I was responsible for collecting, denoting, compiling a bunch of stuff related to selling a product and the market for a product so that we can adequately price and promote it.
I envision a future for the Learning Factory where all students and instructors at the university have the potential to use the facility. I envision a future where we are able to produce our products and sell them on the market. I envision a future where students would go, for example, to the Master Students Union shop and buy a product made at Master. I envision a future where students are learning and participating in the Learning Factory in a way that builds their skills such that they are ready on day one to start working.